What's up, guys? Raymundo86 here. We're doing a little CGC submission return. These are just 10 random cards I sent back in March. CGC received them opened the box around July 29th, and they finished quality control and shipping on September 29th, and I received them yesterday, October 3rd or 2nd, I think it was. They came FedEx, 2 days, Express or whatever. This was an economy 10 grade, 10 cards. I think I paid like $15 a card. CGC's prices have gone up since. There's nothing crazy, ooh, wow, spectacular cards in here. There's just 10 random cards I wanted to get slabbed up for family members, friends, and just kind of for my own personal collection. So we're gonna get into it and see what we got here. I took them out of the box just for time purposes. So first card we got here is a Pikachu promo. We got an 8.5. I have no subgrades on any of these cards. They were just kind of 10 cards I just wanted to get slabbed up for friends and family. So we got a Pikachu 8.5 promo. It's gonna go to probably one of my nephews. Oh, all right, cool. So we got a 9 on that one. I sent 4 of these away, so we're gonna get a couple different ones, hopefully. Well, a couple different grades, hopefully. All right. Oh, all right. So we got 2 9s. It's not bad. Got one there. Come on, 10. Ooh. So I sent 4 of these. So I got 2 8.5s and 2 9s. It's not bad. I mean, this is gonna be probably go to my other nephew. So the next card is, all right, 8.5. It's the Gyarados Reverse Holo. This card has had a lot of nostalgia for me because I remember opening this card up back in the day when I was a kid, and I just wanted to get it slabbed up. So it's not bad. I mean, I think it's off center a little bit, but that's probably why I didn't get a better grade. It's a little funk on the case from the cardboard box. But, not bad. So it's gonna just go in my collection anyway. Oh, okay, we got the Eevee promo card. I got 9 on that. Not bad. I was kind of hoping for something better. The card looked actually pretty good to me. I'm not an expert in any means, but the cardboard really makes these cases dirty, though. I'll take a 9. All right, 9.5. Got the Brooklyn Hill promo, Hidden Fates card here, gold card. 9.5, not bad. So far, it's the best one we got. I mean, probably it's a PSA 10. Got this with Sledge because it was the first gold card I ever pulled. And why not? So like I said, this is one submissions were only like $15. So they have since gone up to like 30 for economy. And bulk submissions take way too long. Yeah, I got this card graded, guys. This is the Champ's Path Holo. Just got a 9 on it. This card I just got it slabbed because the card trolled me through all of Champion's Path. I never got the Charizards. I probably have like 20 of these cards, and I just kind of got it for myself because I hate Champion's Path so much. I had to get this card slabbed. So, he's going to go right up here just because I hate him so much. But, like, I love him at the same time. All right, next card. All right, boom. Got the Ninetales Holo from Evolutions, 8.5. The centering's not that great. It's, like, pretty bad. It's really heavy on the right side. Over here, if you can see it. But this is, like, the first card I ever pulled as a kid. I wish I still had that binder. But my mom threw it out when I was like 15 or something, or whatever. So this is a nostalgia card. I wanted to get it slabbed just for like memory purposes. So there's any scratches on it, but the case is a little scuffed up. All right, last card, guys. Boom. Shiny Ditto V. Got a 9. Not bad. I just really like Ditto, and I like this card. Just want to get slabbed for my personal collection. Man, these cardboard boxes make the cards filthy, though. I've known a lot of people complain about that on their videos. But, all right, not bad. I'll put that up there. So we're gonna open a few packs as well, because that's what we do here on my channel. Let's see what I got here. I'm just gonna grab some stuff from the side. We're gonna open up 2 Sword and Shield. I'll move these slabs out of the way. I'm gonna leave these 3 up here, just because they're there. And you know what? Let's throw a few more cards up there just for candy in the background. So you have to look at that tote cover that I use as a background. So I'll put those up there, man. A little bit of a glare they put in my hand twice, but whatever. Definitely gonna open up another one of these because evolutions. Gotta get some cards out of that. And I've been picking a lot of these up. They're XY Breakpoint packs, just mostly because that Pikachu promo is pretty sick. I really like it. It's really cute. You know, get those 3 Pokemon just like having a little picnic. So we're opened up. We're gonna send that card and get graded next. I bought like 10 of these. So if the card doesn't look good, I'll open another pack in another video. Let's start with the Sword and Shield base. These packs, I purchased them at Dollar General when I was out looking for cards. Code card for you guys. Okay, make a little room here. Fighting Energy, Switch, Crushing Hammer, Goldie, Glossford, Snom, Sizzlepede, we got a Bulu Reverse, and a Drampa, non-hollow. Alright. I need, looking for the Snorlax. On the base set, which is pretty, not base set, sorry. Sword and Shield base. Never pulled that card, so try our luck. Maybe. There it goes. Oh, that's a green code card. I forget that. Sometimes they're in the front and the back. I always get that messed up. Alright. Well, I just saw that card, didn't you? Well, we'll just flip through these real quick. That Pikachu is actually pretty good art. I like that. Pokemon Center Lady. Oh, it's Ninetales. It's pretty cool artwork, actually. Try to get that in there. Okay, we're going to do the Evolving Skies pack now. Okay, so, make a little room here. This pack was purchased at Walmart. I bought a couple of them. The local Walmart only lets you buy cards from behind the counter in the front. But these are back in the toy section, so there was no one there that day. Trying to get that out of there for you guys. Code card. And we got the Slowpoke promo. Big fan of that card. I'm trying not to smack the camera. But yeah, I like that. Probably gonna get one of those graded just because I like them. Put them in a slab. You know, get the coin as well too. It's in there. Take that out later. Alright, let's see what we get from Evolving Skies. A little Umbreon pack. Slice the top open. Alright. Put that on the ground. Code card for you. Alright, here we go. Cruel and another Drampa. Wow. Okay, oh, there's the battery backup. That's always fun. Put that over there. Alright, we're gonna, maybe we'll get something out of this here, breakpoint pack. I don't really know what the chase cards are in this off the top of my head. We'll see what we get. Be careful with this, keep that promo good. I picked these up on eBay. At the time, it was like 15 bucks, so I bought a bunch of them from a couple different sellers. Oh, this card, it's got the clips in there. Oh, I hate these. This card's probably messed up now. Oh, I guess I got a couple. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can see that. See that dent right there from the coin? Ooh, just totally ruined this card. This is like an automatic like 5. That is really crappy. Wow, that's terrible. Yeah, so that's like Groudon coin there. Put a nice giant ding in that card. That really really stinks. All right, let's open this pack of Breakpoint. It's XY. So it's gonna be 3 to the front for the pack trick. Green gold card. Oh, what a day. Almost did that. All right, a Silgief. Arcanine, that's actually a really cool looking card. Pito, Rattata, Nomo, Electabuzz, Golduck, and a Shiftry. Wow, okay. Let's see. All right, we're gonna open some more stuff here. What do we got? Hold on, reach here. I got 2 more Sword and Shield single packs. Let's try some better luck here. Code card for you guys. All right, Psychic. All right, Thwacky, Zigazoo, Sizzlepede, Yamper, and Raichu, non-hollow. Not having a good day with the hollows. All right. We are going to open one more pack. Virtual base. Let's see what we get here. These packs were purchased at Dollar General as well. Code card. All right, let's go here. Don't want to cheat. No peeking. Right on. Kingler. Balton. Qfant. Grookey. Yamper. Oh man, look at these cards. You can see that it's all chewed up on the top. Silicobra, Morpeko, and a Claydol. Wow. That is, wow. Let me see if I got something else, because not even one card. It's like, oh. What do we got? Okay, we got some stuff over here. I'll be right. Let me just grab something. All right. Okay, guys. Let's try that again. 2 more Sword and Shield packs. Noctowl. Wow. Just not having good luck tonight. Alright, maybe, just maybe, get a little something out of this little last pack magic perhaps. Or else I'm gonna have to go digging up a couple more card packs somewhere. Come on. Alright. Code card for you guys. Alright, here we go. Lightning energy. There's one. There we go. Sport bunny. Cottony, glaring ponyta, little pony. Krabby, Nicket, and right period. Alright, I mean, at least it's a hollow. The only hollow of all the packs, other than the promos. That's all I'm going to have to do for tonight, guys. I'll do another video. Probably later in the week. See if my Celebrations packs pre-orders come in. Hopefully they're here by Friday, which would be pretty cool. Definitely going to do a video on that. So, thanks for watching. Leave a like, sub, leave a comment. Catch you guys next time. Later.